my son's car that we're gonna reveal for his birthday. Let's get this thing unboxed. So here's the plan. I bought a McLaren because I couldn't find a Firebird. We're gonna take all this out. We're gonna look at it and see if we can find a way to paint it black, number one. Put some Firebird stickers on it, number two. And maybe even some hood exit exhaust on it. There's so much stuff in here. Got the push bar. McLaren stickers, yeah, we can pretty much throw that away. Okay, so we got it all out. Obviously, it's orange as hell, so we're gonna have to take care of this color. Bottom to top, we're gonna go ahead and repaint it black. We're gonna have to repaint the wheels also black. Nothing a little spray paint can't handle though. The horn, it's got an electric horn on it. It's got the McLaren logo. We're gonna have to get rid of that somehow. Luckily, my wife can make some decals for me to go ahead and put the bird logo up here, just like the Trans Am. I'm gonna put a little Pontiac embossed right here. I may just leave those, but if I can get my wife to make some sort of honeycomb pattern in the same shape, we'll stick those on there as well. If it's the baby bull, it's gotta have hood exits, so we're gonna try to get that done on this car and see how it works out. Try to have this ready for him, and then we'll get his reaction and everything in this video. So let's get started. Every painter has to make an appearance on my channel, just to let you know.
No, man.
So now I'm at this location and
I'm not signing anything, man. Right.
I'm giving an update on the car. I'm giving an update on the car. Obviously, we got a primer. You had to do some work on it, right? To like get the primer right here.
Yeah.
Right. We had to like
little sanding and prepping.
But we had to like heat treat it, right? You were saying about heat treating it?
Oh yeah, get all the oil out of the plastic.
Because these plastics, I guess, are made with oil residue, or
yeah, they're kind of got a oil based in them.
Yeah.
You got to get it out so the paint's thick.
Yeah. So you heat it up with torch. You were able to get all the oil off of it, and then you just sand it and get it primered and ready for paint. Looks good. I'm excited.
Get in there.
Yeah. This will be a nice surprise for the boy. Is this like a unique project you've ever done, or you've done stuff like this, right?
Yeah.
This isn't new to you.
It's the first rodeo, man.
I asked you, hey, I need this to look more like a Trans Am, and bam, we succeeded. How's that Corvette looking now? Looks nothing like a Vette. He's such a jerk. Hell yeah, that looks great. Good job, homie. Came out good. Oh, he's gonna love this thing. When can I touch it?
Ready to go.
Oh, is it?
Yeah.
I'm gonna start putting it together right now. Look at us modifying all together and everything. Oh, power couple. Power couple.
Stop, seriously.
Where are you going? So, what do you think? What do you think of the car?
Looks great.
Yeah?
Stop recording me. Stop it.
Does it match the bullet?
Yeah, looks good.
Think we did a good job?
You're gonna have to re-video this because
Why?
I'm not gonna be in it.
Yes, you are.
Looks good, yeah. I like it.
Yeah. So we got a small, I'm not going to show them too much. Oh, that's a little too much. Got a small, oh. But that's a small little surprise that we're not going to show you until the final video. We're going to get to the track. We're going to do a reveal to my son at the track, unloading the car off the trailer, and it's going to be a big surprise. We're going to catch it all on film. My wife's going to print out some decals for us just to make it a little more Pontiac-ish, because there's a rumor Actually, your father. And I'm sure he's watching this. When it was out of paint, he put a picture together with a Corvette and said, "Oh, it's like a Corvette." So everyone's been making fun of me that it looks just like a Vet. In fact, speaking of,
Drive. It's a drive.
Livy, what does that look like?
That's Stacy's car.
It's Jace's car?
Yeah.
Yeah.
What does it look like?
It's black.
Okay, but what else does it look like?
It's black.
Whose car does it look like?
Jason's car.
Oh God, that's it. It's over. It's done.
What does it look like?
Daddy's car.
Daddy's.
It looks like Daddy's car, doesn't it? That's right. Just like Daddy's car.